So from here we grasp the sparrow's tail, roll back. Now turn your waist to the side, so about 40 degrees from the center line. Keep your arm in line with your thigh and keep the elbow down. The hand mustn't rise above the shoulder. So we're turning and keeping the right arm on the center line. Fold up, keep the elbow down and turn the wrist over. Then move the weight to the front, which will bring the left hand to the right wrist. So from here, turn, fold up, move the weight forward, so this movement is called fold up. We turn the waist and keep the arm in line with the leg. So the arms must always be in front of the body, in the yin position. The front is regarded as yin. The back is regarded as yang. So when we're doing fold up, we don't want to do this. You bring the arm behind the body into the yang area. All movements are yin. So we keep the arm in front by turning the waist. So watch, from here, if I don't turn my waist, I'm going to do this. I'm going to bring my arm behind me. By turning my waist, I'm keeping the arm in front of the body. Here, my center line is obliquely onto the center of my palm. So as I turn, the arm follows. So this becomes ward off. Keep the arm in front of the body, fold up. Now I move the weight from the back leg to the front leg, and the left palm comes to the right wrist. This fold up, the forearm turns over from here to here. So the elbow joint and the wrist joint turn over. From there, like this. Fold up, press. So the arm comes with the weight shift. Don't do this. Okay. Remember, the knee must stay straight. So we don't want to fold up and then we're doing this kind of thing. So now the body has an angle and all the weight's going over there. You can practice this fold up by standing upright. Keep your arms in front of your chest. Turn your hips until you close this joint. And then fold up. So to get the idea, you can just do this. The thing to remember is not to lift the elbow. It's not this. So you just relax the elbow and the shoulder. So I'm going to turn my waist, hold up, easy. Michelle will now demonstrate a few common mistakes. Okay. So there, moving the arm into the yang position and not tilting the waist enough. Here again, not coordinating the upper and the lower part of the body, arms and legs moving separately. Again, moving into the yang position and lifting the arm too high, therefore dislocating from the center. Now move forward and then press on the top. So you can see the coordination there. She moved the upper and lower separately, and the weight first came forward and then the hands followed. And there are many variations of that. Earlier I said that the weight is 50-50, but in actual fact, if we go back to the previous position, then half the weight on the front. This is just transitioning. At this point it's 50-50, but now it's going to become more. It's going to all, or as much as possible, will move to the front leg. So we should have at least 70% or more if you can. Then roll back, fold up. Yeah. Also the line should be straight, she's slightly off, but yeah, don't come back to the 40-degree angle. We're going grass sparrow's tail, fold up, and then back to the center. So side, side, center. And side, roll back, side, and forward. And you'll notice the weight shift is coordinated with the hand movement. So the upper part of the body and the lower part, the arms and the legs, must move together. Okay, good.